Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to install WordPress in Hostinger. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and get started with logging into your WordPress account, after which in this home page right here you can get started with accessing all the sections you have at the left side screen, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started. Basically, what we want to look for guys is to first open up the Hostinger website. So after you have gotten your WordPress website right here, you can now go to hostinger.com and get started logging in. So go ahead and log into your Hostinger account, get started with selecting your plan that you want to use, and now we can get started. So you can see immediately right here at the beginning, we can see there is a special section just for WordPress. This is immediately going to show us it's very easy to access it. So once you have opened up your Hostinger panel and your control panel, you'll be able to access WordPress. But basically it's going to look like this. In your control panel on Hostinger, you're going to have the hosting section at the top of the screen. So once you have opened up the hosting section, you can see that you can get started with finding WordPress in the self-hosting section. Is going to be one of the most popular options. The first option probably you want to click on WordPress. So click on WordPress, and after that guys, it's going to go ahead and enable you to proceed with the detailed steps of entering your WordPress domain and so on, and provide all the info and details they need, and after that just confirm it and you'll be able to successfully connect your WordPress to your Hostinger. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.